How to connect Afterpay by phone in USA. Let's get started. For this purpose, go to the Google and search for Afterpay customer service number. There is no number available for contact, but you can see in the results section the site that says afterpay.com. And here you can click on this. This will take you to contact Afterpay section. Here you can select any of the option, and if the option of your issue is not available, you can simply connect to the contact Afterpay option. After tapping on this option, you will be redirected to this page, and here you will be given three options. The one is, can I send you guys a message? Can I call and speak to someone? And here, make a complaint about Afterpay. You can select any of these. I'm selecting, can I send you guys a message? And then you will be redirected to this page and select on get in touch option. Now in get in touch, you have to scroll down and see all the options here. Select any of them, and then you have to add your email address, and enter all the details like your date of birth, your phone number, your address, your password. After adding all the details, submit your issue, and that's how you can contact Afterpay by phone in USA. Thank you for watching.